Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. We are establishing new Dawah Organization. This Dawah Organization will give Dawah effectively around the world. And we will reach to every individual around the world and on the face of this earth by Allah's will. In order to know more about this organization, all I need from you is to follow the organization's page on Instagram, check the YouTube channel and subscribe, and follow all the platforms of this organization. I ask Allah Almighty to bless us all, and I ask Allah Almighty to bless me and you to give da'wah. So stay tuned, follow us, and subscribe to all the channel and the platform. May Allah bless you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.